Hello, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to install Automatic Minecraft Server using the new build system found in 0.7 and later. The latest version, as of time of speaking, is 0.8.1. So I've already downloaded the AutoMCServer.tar.xz, which you can get from the GitHub page, and I've made a build directory, and you just need to run this command to extract it. And now that we've extracted it, let's have a look at the files and the file tree. As you can see, there are lib, src, and there's this shortcut called install. And install just links to the install script, and that's what we'll run. And when you run it for the first time, it will take around 10 to 30 seconds to build completely, and it will be done. Subsequent builds, like installing a new version, will be a lot faster because the C library libyaml is already built. On some systems, you will see an error that says YAMLs could not be built, but if it says program installed successfully, then that's all fine. It's all good, you don't need to worry about anything. So now, let's start up AutoMCServer. And you'll be met with the OOBE screen. This OOBE screen hasn't really changed much since 0.5 or 0.6. So you'll be prompted to set up some Java installations. I need to add my Java 17 installation, so I'll navigate through the file menu to select that. And then lastly, you'll be prompted if you want to set up a server right then and there. I do not want to do this, but you can if you want. So thank you for watching this tutorial on how to install Automatic Minecraft Server using the newest build system.